Okay, in this question, we're given that a slope has a line of y plus equals a plus bx is fitted to a set of bivariate data. The set of the bivariate data, yada, yada, yada. The slope of the least squares line is given to, again, these are formulas that they put in all the time. It's one of those ones that are sort of covered in the book, and then we move on. But the one we're going to need, I'm just going to check this, is that the value of a is given by y bar minus b times x bar. They've given me the value of a. They've given me the value of y bar, and they've given me the value of x bar. Right, let's see what we got there. So we've got 3.1 is equal to y bar 5.60 minus the value of b, which we're trying to find, multiplied by 5.50. Okay, so knowing that it's got 5.50, there's a number of ways of doing this. What can we do? Let's just use the solve function on my calculator. Right, so solve 3.1 equals 5.6 minus, let's call it x, times 5.50, and we're going to comma exit to say solve for x, and out comes a value of 0.45454545454545, and so once it's closest to, so question number 9, the answer is B.